Hey, what's up guys? Today I take the mighty Kimber out to the range, shoot some groups at 50 yards with nothing but budget ammo, and one premium ammo that shoots like budget ammo. This shit sucks. You'll know which one it is when you watch the video. All right, here we go. Here you little goober. I can live with that. Keep on going, boy. Last one. Get your ass in there. I can damn sure live with that. Well, it is not liking this ammunition for sure. That sucks. By the way, if there's anybody out there that's got one of these Kimbers and just has a bunch of old magazines they're trying to get rid of, I'm your huckleberry. These damn things are expensive. I think the last time I saw one, it was like $70 or $80 for an extra magazine. That's ridiculous. Guys ask me a lot what the weather's like when I'm out shooting. Today, it is 91 degrees, 93% humidity. The wind isn't blowing, and through my electronic muffs, all I'm hearing is the nest of mosquitoes that are underneath the table biting at my nutsack. Could go. The hell did that come from? Cheap ass ammo. Come on, turn that shit up. That's all right. All right. Too bad. Straying a little. I can live with that. Sometimes guys ask me, do I have a favorite ammo or one particular brand I'm loyal to? I do not. Whatever shoots good out of the gun I'm shooting, that's the one I'm loyal to right then. Ooh, damn, honey. With the ammo this gun likes, it's hell. When it don't like it, it damn sure shows it. Some of it have a hissy fit on it. I don't mean have a hissy fit right now. Got my new Firebird Target jersey on today. Can't tell me shit. Yeah, go on there. Damn, my eyes ain't deceiving me. Them last three went in the same hole. See if we can get 4 of them in there. Get it, baby. Guys, this gun right here is the textbook definition of ammo fussy. I could take my Rim X, it'll shoot anything into a 1/4 inch at that distance. This one right here, if it don't like it, boy, it just fights the shit out of you. Get it, you little funny looking fucker.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh yeah, pretty well center. Guys, when somebody asks why don't you shoot the super budget ammo, as you look at the screen, you can tell my camera is almost dead in line with that target. I don't want to shoot my camera, and sometimes that real cheap shit will throw a flyer that is out of this damn world. There you go. Get my thing dialed in. All right, let's do it. Get it, honey. Come on, don't choke on that last one. Get your ass in there. You bad motherfucker. Woo. Definitely tell that one's hotter than what I've been shooting. I can live with it. Come on, I get that last one in there. There you go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy the video. You're gonna see one of these videos for every single rimfire rifle that I personally own, and I hope you enjoy watching them. See ya.